good morning. How's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another. Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for IndoRecipe.com. There's so many the Kitchen Fairy accounts on YouTube, so I'm calling myself Who's the Kitchen Fairy. Anyways, for today's recipe, it is ground beef and chickpeas. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. Around 500 grams of ground beef. I'll add in 1 large onion and 4 large garlic. Now add in potato and carrot. Stir and then pour some water. Bring back to boil, and I'm gonna add in the rest of the ingredients or veggies. Covered for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take off the lid, stir. Now add in 1 can of chickpeas, 500 grams, 1 can of peas, 300 grams, and 1 can of corn, 300 grams. And start to combine. Also one bell pepper. Oopsie daisy. We're gonna add a little bit more water and we're gonna season with sweet paprika powder, turmeric powder, black pepper, cumin, chicken bouillon powder to taste. Once you adjust the flavoring, lower the heat, cook covered until potatoes and carrots are tender. So in total, this was 1 heaping teaspoon of sweet paprika powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2.5 teaspoon of cumin, up to 3 teaspoons, and chicken bouillon powder to taste. For the white pepper, if you like it spicy or kind of hot, until we can taste it.